Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change SIM card for mobile data on Android phone. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is opening our settings application on our Android phone, and we're going to open the connection setting. Tap on this connection setting and we're going to select a SIM card manager. Okay, and here we can change the SIM card for mobile data. We can tap on mobile data option, and here you can select which of the SIM card you would like to use for your mobile data on your Android phone. And for example, I'm gonna go with the SIM one. Okay, and now the SIM one will be used for mobile data. And actually, there is another way to change the SIM card for mobile data. We can go to the quick setting panel on our Android phone. You just need to click on this mobile data right here. Then you're going to select your SIM card you would like to use for your mobile data. Alright guys, and that's how we can change a SIM card for mobile data on our Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.